So I was saying that, there are three pieces of information in this particular one. Did you capture the three major pieces of information? I think this selecting you're doing maybe was keep making it not to work well. But when you do select and drag, that one usually works. Why not drag and like you did initially? Drag over this thing. Let's see. Okay, so wait, let's look at them carefully. Let's look at each of them. Um, count of TV by electric. Total number. Hold on now, Simeon, calm down. So it looks like it is choosing the ones that we're counting by. So count is doing separately for count by electric, doing separately for the different types of items.
I think we should make it more realistic.
Maybe we should make it what?
More realistic.
So it's not possible to have 163 couches.
Yeah. In your house. No.
Okay. Okay, so let's see what you have here. TV, leave this one, or let me see, clustered columns. TV, couch, book, bed. Okay, this one doesn't use the types. It just works with TV. Okay, so fine. If we want to do this, I think this one is good. So you can pick this chart. You can pick this chart and as one of them. So let's see. I think it shows by number how many TVs we have, how many couches we have. Oh, this is even nice. It doesn't just show you the bar length. It also shows you the number. Okay, that's good. So you see, the more friendlier, or let me put it this way, the more user-friendly the bar charts are, the better for us. Now, if you notice something, look at the x-axis of your bar. You know where the x-axis is?
Isn't it this one?
Yes, that side, yes. So can you stretch it so that, because it looks like some of them are overlapping each other.
Also, I just
Uh,
realized that this is like my
what
first
did
time.
you say? You didn't put
If
anything
it
for
like if
football.
it changes to like let's say 15,
Okay,
increases.
okay. Okay. So it's realistic for you to have 15 footballs in your house, Abby?
No, 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 no. At least like two.
Hmm.
Two.
Okay. Unless, of course, everybody is learning how to play football, which I don't know. If you have a house that has 15 people and all of them have their own footballs in their rooms. Okay.
But I
So
think we have more than 13 books. You have like a lot. That's like
if you're in a library, you should have more books, right?
yeah. Right.
How about trousers? Trousers, you think
That's
23
I feel
is
like
realistic?
that's too much.
It's too much, right?
Yeah, so let's like
But then if you think about it, if you have more males in the house, and sorry, females too, you didn't
yeah.
say male trousers. You didn't say female trousers. We just said trousers. So it's possible. Oh. ladies have a lot of clothes usually. So it might not
Okay.
be the males that have. So sometimes we need to think about those things,
Let's say like
things are
17.
trying to be realistic.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. Shirts too, and also, okay, so ladies can have shirts. Uh-huh. Now, if you now look at it,
Yeah. Wait.
um,
Yeah, I think 4 beds is really realistic. 4 tables. No.
four
Wait.
tables,
Us we no, we have 5.
five tables,
I think we have more than
a
5.
dining table,
So there's four
kitchen,
tiny,
one
there's
in
four
the
tiny
one in
tables.
the kitchen.
One,
Some
two,
kitchens have a
three,
table, some
four.
don't.
So
One
we
in the bedroom. Okay. Okay, I think it's looking better now.
yeah. I don't think you can have except if you're like lucky enough.
Some rooms,
I,
some houses have TVs in their rooms. So,
yes, yes, I know. I'm just specifying it on like
so
my house. Now like because you have to, your parents have to be really happy with you to get you a TV in your room.
mm, good. Okay. All right. Well done. I think this is fine. Is this the only one that's left that has column header that you?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
How about that one?
Which
The
one?
There was one that you click
This one.
count if. Yes.
No,
So now I
this
know
one
the
work
reason why
because
this one is looking like this is because we seem to have different groups of one. So what I will advise, if you want to do anyone for this,
I don't
okay,
think you
let's
can
do.
do.
Ayana, try
I don't even know
without
if you
the
can
one
do
that
one.
does not have numbers, right?
Yeah,
Let's
I'm
try it.
pretty sure.
It might do a count for
Let's
us.
see. Let's
Just
see.
do
Recommended.
recommended charts. It
There's no.
doesn't
I
because
think it
of
needs numbers
the
inside.
absence of numbers. Okay, so go for the ones that have numbers, like that one.
Yeah.
No, 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 no. Go back to that one now. We're not done with that one. We're
Okay.
still looking for how we can get one that has numbers.
Yeah,
Okay,
but these
so
ones are like using functions like counting, sum,
mm,
left, lower, sum if, max,
okay,
median. It's like this lesson was like does learn about different functions.
okay. So it's not really like information about data, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I am
Should I
now.
change? Wait.
Okay, different functions, not just count if. Okay,
Yeah.
all right. Okay,
I
that's
think
fine.
I think everything
So
else.
everything is covered, right?
Yeah, yeah,
That thing
everything
is
else is
declared dividend, not dividend.
divi
Uh-huh.
eh,
So fix it.
dividend.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Okay. So I sent one. I don't know if you checked your mail like you promised you would check, but I sent you one yesterday. Did you check your mail?
Yes, yes it did. Wait, let me check.
I don't think you checked your mail. You would
No,
have seen it.
I did. I did. I checked it
When
yesterday.
did you check it now? I think I sent you one.
Yeah, I
Is
think you,
that?
you sent me the same one, I think. I
Check
don't
that
see
first one now. No, check that first one. Let me see. Click on it. Let's see.
we've already done this. Oh,
You've done this one.
yeah, I've done this one before. I think.
Ah,
Wait,
ah.
have we
I
done
need,
this?
wait. Wow. Okay.
Well,
That's
let me
interesting.
just check. Let me just check.
That
Because
means,
it looks like I've seen that before. Let's see.
is it not that the one that had BPD,
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
market fund? Okay, no, you've not done this one now. You've not done this one. This was the one I sent.
But which one is the one I sent? Yeah,
SCL.
look. Yeah, we've done this one. We've done this one.
Okay.
Look. I remember I was
18,
doing. I remember
18,
I was looking at STL money market.
18.4%. Okay, 20.24. Okay, let me see the chart on it. Let me see the chart. Ah, so I thought I sent you that thing. That means what happened? There was one that looked so interesting. I think it was about the amount of money that different
Maybe you sent it to like
what
a
do you call
different
them?
account.
The different companies make in sorry, the amount of time that different companies take to make $1 million, something like that.
Should we do it in this lesson? Or should I do it as homework?
No, hold on. Let me just see if I can find it.
Yeah, the latest one was 16th of April. It was on Thursday, and we did it on Thursday.
Okay. Um, uh, hmm. Okay, I'm sending one now because I thought that I sent. If I see that one, it was quite interesting. I'll send it again.
But sir, please, can I get a bottle of? Can I get a drink, please? Like just water.
Hmm. Then you'll not tell me later that you want to use the restroom.
No. I peed before we had the class.
Okay, that's
Okay.
good.
Yeah, come. Okay, so I'm back. So have you sent me this?
Yes, I've sent it.
Okay, let me refresh. Okay, okay, I see it. How am I supposed to get in? How am I supposed to get the car?
No. Just the
Oh,
numbers
those.
and the
Okay,
company.
okay.
You
I was about
understand?
to say because
Mm.
Zell does not have any of that. Okay, so top 10 African cities with highest traffic. Oh, there's a limit of what to write.
That there's a limit.
Yeah. No, like it stopped me from writing again.
Oh, okay. And it's not everything you must write now.
I'm not surprised Lagos is there. So first one will be three cities. So,
Yes.
for the congestion rate, should I
Like
like
on
round
this.
it? Should I round it up?
Should you write what?
Should I round it up?
No, put the exact figures though. If you
Okay.
round up, it might not, you understand, it may not represent the reality of what the information wants to give us. So, rounding up is good, but sometimes it's just better to use the exact data for precision.
South Africa has a lot. They have 3 places. No, they have 4 places.
Okay?
South Africa has a lot. Out of the 10,
Oh, okay, yeah.
they have 4 on the chart.
You want to give this thing some colors.
No,
I'm just thinking that maybe you can also learn. Okay, you know what? Okay, go ahead. Just give those ones colors. I was thinking of that conditional formatting, but maybe not today. Are you done with this?
no, I don't want
Okay, you
to.
want to put it side by side. Okay, you want to use the colors of their flag.
Yeah,
Maybe the predominant color, Abi.
yeah, yeah. So for Kenya, they said black. So for Kenya, we'll leave it the same. So for Egypt, red,
Egypt. So you need to correct the spelling of your Egypt.
and South Africa. Oh, see, blue, dark blue. Oh, so just then for South Africa again. Then for South Africa again, Simeon. And then Egypt, the red. And then for Morocco, Morocco is also red.
So maybe we should talk about this conditional formatting. What I was just thinking about right now is what if there were, right now there's just 11 rules, actually 10 rules of data. But I'm just thinking, what if there were, instead of just 10, what do you call that thing? Like 1,000. You understand?
1,000.
And I'm just thinking, what would you do in that kind of scenario? And you want to make it colorful, you want to put in figures and all that. Yes, the charts will show some information, but what if we wanted to, you know, add colors to the figures as well? So I was thinking of that. There's this thing called conditional formatting. Maybe we'll look at it. Um, I'm not sure now. Anyway, let's see. So is this the best chart you want to give it?
Can do another one.
No, I mean, as in, what I mean is this the best design you want for it for the chart? Because I saw that you were checking some different one.
I don't know. I like this one.
Okay, so this one shows the numbers too, not
Yeah,
just the height of
because it's
the.
like it's in decimals as well.
Mm. So what are some, let's say you were to present this, who do you think this kind of data would be useful to?
Um, to politicians or like
Politicians,
or those road people,
those doing what?
like those who are like in the streets in like the road.
On the road.
Yeah,
Okay.
or maybe like
So,
government, so they can like build ways,
mm,
so like it will be like the congestion rate will be
mm,
lower than usual, and it will be easier for people to get to the place they want to be.
okay. 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 But, okay, that's probably one scenario. What's another scenario of a people that who might be interested in this data? Remember that this is different countries. So I want you to look at it from that perspective too. Yes, so this is what you just said now. It's like in a particular country. So in each country, yes. But let's look at it from another perspective. This is somebody that wants to make a decision, and the person needs the traffic congestion rates from different countries. Who do you think those likely people may be? And I'll tell you why I'm asking that question. So let's say you are a data analyst and you've done this work. Now, you know, the truth is that uh, one would love to be rewarded, or should I say, yeah, paid for a work that they've done well. So if you know the people that who this kind of data will be useful to, guess what? It's those people that who will pay you for the work done. That's why I'm asking you this question. Who are the people that this kind of data will be useful to? So you have given me one scenario, but I want you to think in in the light of what I just said now. People who are looking at different countries, who do you think those kind of people could be? Simeon, are you there?
Yes, sir.
So I need an answer.
Uh,
So let me
data,
give you, let me
data,
give you, what?
like those people who analyze data.
Those people who analyze data. Yeah, I agree. People who analyze data, but apart from people who analyze data, I'm thinking of people that who need to make a decision. That's what I'm thinking about. And that's what I want you to be thinking about too. People who need to make a decision. So for instance, let me give you an example. Now, there might be, is there any, these are all African countries, right?
Yeah.
There was something I even said I was telling you to do. Your spelling of Egypt, the first time you spelled Egypt, Cairo, Egypt, you spelled it wrongly. Can you correct it there so that it will correct every other place that it was spelled? Have you seen it? Line 4, row 4. Yes, row 4. Yes. So fix it there and it should fix every other place. Have you done that? Egypt, Egypt, not PET. Remove the, uh-huh. Okay, good. It has fixed itself. So let me give you a scenario. Now, these are all African countries. Imagine somebody in the UK, they want to go for holiday in Africa. They don't know which country they should go to, right? I think the last time we were looking at, I don't know if we mentioned all those things about possibility of wars and all that, but this one is not that. This is a case of traffic congestion. Some people don't like traffic. Are you with me?
Yes, sir.
I can't see you. Are you leaning on your table or what? How come I can't see you? Okay. All right. So like I was saying, think about tourists. So they want to come to a country in Africa. They've told them that Africa is a happening place. So they want to come to Africa. They want to see what's so cool about Africa. But they want to be sure that they're not coming to somewhere that the congestion rate is high. Don't you think this kind of information will be useful to them?
Yes, sir.
So let me now ask now, what if someone knows, okay, Lagos, Nigeria, the traffic congestion rate is high. However, they still want to come to Lagos, Nigeria. What do you think that other decisions that kind of person may want to make? What other decisions? The person doesn't like traffic, oh, but it's just I want to, what is so what do you call it? The person is those kind of people who are curious. They want to satisfy their curiosity. So what other information do you think that person would need after seeing that Lagos has the highest congestion rate?
How safe it is.
Hmm?
How safe it is.
How safe it is? Okay. Okay. All right. So this is what I was also thinking about. Yes, safety is a very important decision, or rather factor to consider. Can you also think about this that okay, it's not like the road is congested all the time, right?
Yes, sir.
There are some what they call those periods, peak periods, and there are periods that the road is not congested. So he might tell the data analyst, okay, this is great, but can you give me a chart that will show the congestion rate for at different times of the day in Lagos? So now it's not like that is of course, we know that it's not a perfect information, but at least from a study, some people have concluded that usually early in the mornings when people are going to work, those are the times traffic are usually heavy, right?
Yes, sir.
People are going to work, people are going to school and all that. Then what other time do you think traffic can be heavy?
Um,
Hmm?
if there's like if there's like an event happening.
If there's an event happening, good, excellent. There's an event happening, a major event. What other times can the road be really, really busy?
If there's like an accident ahead, there'll be a long traffic.
Okay. Okay, those ones are dependent on some factors. Okay, we could have construction of roads. And then how about if when people are going to work and going to school, roads could be congested, then obviously when they are going back home, don't you think that can also happen on their way
Um,
home, right?
yeah, yes, sir.
Uh-huh. So that would be around, 5 in the evening, 5, 6, 7, 8, those kind of times. Um, the road can be congested. Okay, so do you have any other set of people who you think might need this kind of information?
No, no, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
Hmm. So people who are planning cities, right? It's not as if we have more people in Lagos like than in a place like South Africa. It may just be that the land space compared to the number of people in Lagos, we have lesser, as in the ratio of land space to number of people is the challenge. So that's why it seems like you have more congestion in Lagos compared to South Africa. So that may be something that one may want to look at too, in that um from that perspective. But yeah, it's a it's something for us to just think about. So these are um different factors. I'm just like I said, um doing this kind of thing, creating um um information, creating yeah, what do you call it? Different data like this. You need to know who it will be useful to and all that. So, do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. All right. So, I'll most likely send you another this thing to work on before Tuesday. So please check your mail. Is that
Okay, sir.
okay?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. Enjoy the rest of your weekend.
You too. Have a good day.
Yeah.
Yeah, see you on Tuesday. Yeah,
All
bye.
right.